grey characters in our cinema are far more glamorized.
Yeah, I'm coming from Hyder and Urta Punjab, so I've done my fair share of grey characters. And yes, grey characters are great. Noble characters are extremely good.
I'm talking vis-a-vis your character versus Ranveer Singh's character.
यार ये वर्सेस तुम ही लोग लगाए रखो, एक साल से तुम लोगों ने वर्सेस लगाए रखा है. जाके पिक्चर देख लो, उसके बाद जो वर्सेस करना है कर लेना. ओके ओके. Good evening, good evening, good evening.
Guys, 2 questions है, just 2 questions. अंदर वो खत्म हो गया. Happy Diwali, Shahid.
Happy Diwali.
Shahid, what do we say? Looking absolutely royal.
Thank you.
How has it been living the life of Raja Ratan Singh?
Well, it's been a journey for a year. It's a film which everybody has worked very hard on, and it's a privilege to be a Rajput king. I feel very proud as an Indian to play a king from a dynasty which is known to be brave, fearless, respectful towards women. It's a legendary tale about amazing people who existed at that time, and I'm privileged to play Raja Raval Ratan Singh. I'm privileged to play a king from the dynasty of Chittor, Mewar. Yeah, it's difficult to say. I want people to see the film because, I know the trailer's out and, the looks are out and everybody's talking about it, but really, you have to see the film to understand what it's about and to truly experience it.
Very last question.
If they are not shown, is there any such plan that make us?
This has been going on for about a year, and very honestly, I'm sure you guys want us to talk about it, but I think the right thing to do at this point is to allow the right authorities to deal with it. I think the producers of the film, Mr. Sanjay Leela Bhansali and everybody who is at the helm of affairs, need us right now to not really comment on it because we need to contain the situation. All I'll say is that we're ready to release on the 1st of December. I really feel it's a film that everybody will be proud of, every Indian will be proud of, because it celebrates India, it celebrates our culture, it celebrates what we stand for, it shows everybody who is from this country in the most amazing light. That is the endeavor of this film. And I hope that I feel that people will truly see that when they see the film. They should really see the film to decide.
Thank you guys.
Anything else? Sure. Yeah, I have. I'm also waiting, madam. I'm also waiting. That again is not up to me. How the film is promoted is not up to me. The trailer's out. The response has been phenomenal. Yeah, and the trailer speaks for itself. This film will speak for itself. When people see the film on the 1st of December and in the days to come, whatever everybody has done, the energies that everybody has put in for a year will truly be experienced on screen. Beyond that, I don't know. I'm just happy being a part of the film.
What we have seen, you read your dialogue. You are the only person who has the dialogue in the first trailer. You're
Voiceover.
your amazing body. It shows the kind of hard work and passion that you have put into this role.
I think you guys are being very kind because the trailer is. My character is very underplayed, so really you'll discover him in the film. So wait for the film. Picture abhi baki hai mere dost.
But is that a deliberate ploy to underplay?
I don't know. Those are not my choices. Those are not my choices. Those are the choices of the filmmaker. And yeah, I've just given it 200%, and yeah, that's it.
But happy about it because we were looking forward to more of Raja Ratan Singh.
So wait not till 1st December.
Thank you guys. How do you see the constant attempt of threatening with one sort of protest? Recently the Rangoli which is being wiped out.
Yeah.
We We've always been hearing that an artist are soft targets. This looks like a classic example in this particular scenario.
Do you have a question? Because you've said everything that needed to be said on the topic.
Shahid Biswani, what is your response to it?
Like I said, right now the focus has to be to release the film. The focus has to be to allow people to experience something, and there is absolute and complete care, I feel, that is being taken to keep everybody's point of view in mind, and I hope people see the film. It's a great cinematic experience, and it's made in a way which will only show the people of this country in the nicest light. Happy Diwali.
Any plans?
Yeah, I want to spend Diwali with my family. It's my daughter's first Diwali. So I'll want to spend as much time as I can with her, doing all the normal things that any father, daughter, husband, wife do around Diwali.
Shahid, one more question. Do you feel somewhere down the line grey characters in our cinema are far more glamorized?
Yeah, I'm coming from Haider and Udta Punjab, so I've done my fair share of grey characters. And yes, grey characters are great. Noble characters are extremely good.
I'm talking vis-a-vis your character versus Ranveer Singh's character.
यार ये वर्सेस तुम ही लोग लगाए रखो, एक साल से तुम लोगों ने वर्सेस लगाए रखा है, जाके पिक्चर देख लो, उसके बाद जो वर्सेस करना है कर लेना. ओके.